Hey guys, welcome to the third lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. In the first and second lesson, we have learned till Madhya Saptak or middle note. In today's lesson, we will learn all the three Saptaks. They are Mandra Saptak, the low note, Madhya Saptak, the middle note, and Tar Saptak, the high note. Note: dot below the Sargam means Mantra Saptak, dot above the Sargam means Tar Saptak. No marking for middle note. We will make a separate video explaining all the Saptaks and the 12 Swaras. You will find it very soon. But before getting into today's lesson, if you are new to this channel, then go hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload another exciting tutorials. Now, without any ado, let's set the pitch, tal and tempo first. Now let's look at the notation for the combination which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. You can write down the notation in your notebook or diary too. The writing style for the combination in different lays are different. Kindly focus onto it. At first, we have the Vilambit lay. Ascending order, descending order. Next, we have Madhya lay. Ascending order, descending order. Next, we have Dhrut lay. Ascending order, descending order. Now let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. At first, we have the Vilambit lay. Next, we have Madhya lay. Next, we have Dhrut lay. Well, that ends with today's third lesson. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned many things today. And don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video for the fourth lesson of Harmonium. To be notified when we upload the next video, go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.